How to open Snapstreak in laptop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can open Snapstreak in laptop, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So when you basically open the web version of Snapchat, you can see it says to view the snap I have to view on mobile, which means it will not also let me continue my streak. Right now I can obviously click the camera icon to send some snaps. I can send it, I can receive it, depending on what I want. But if this is not what you're looking for, you want the full access to Snapchat, then you have to download the mobile version of Snapchat, and you can do that by using this emulator called BlueStacks. So download BlueStacks. I'll make sure to drop a link and install it. Then once you download and install BlueStacks over here, you'll see this type of interface right here, right? So under BlueStacks, since it's an Android emulator, you'll also find Google Play. Click on the Google Play option and simply go ahead and then search for Snapchat over here. And once you make sure to go ahead and then search for Snapchat, you should be able to download them. Then all you have to do is click on play on the app player option, update it, and once you've done that, you'll be able to go ahead and then start using Snapchat and also continue with your streaks. This way you can open up streaks on laptop. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.